Hello everyone, today we are going to learn Inventor complete course for beginner to expert, and for the first course I will show you how to creating new project. To create new projects you can click new buttons and then will be show for create new files. In it I will choose template in metric and then choose standard in millimeter as units. Click create and we will go into Inventor drawing area. Now, if you want to draw 3D solid object, first we need to draw sketch. So you can click at this start to the sketch. And there are 3 planes, top planes, front planes, and then side plane. So now we'll choose top plane. Next, click rectangle as example. And I will click start from this point. Click again in here. Now, to close from this sketch, you can click finish sketch button. So we have this sketch. And to convert into 3D, you can use extrude tools. Click at this icon, extrude. You can set for the length. So I will choose in here for distance, the extrusion. Click OK to apply. Now we already create this simple box objects. And if you want to save this project, you can go to File. Click Save. And then you can choose your folder files. Change the file names. And after it, you can click Save. Click Yes. And to close from this project, you can click X buttons in here to close. So you can see we have these projects in the recent document. Okay, that's it for the first course, creating projects in Inventor. And for the next, I will show you how to navigate in Inventor.